Floods affect portions of Valenzuela, Malabon, and Obando, Bulacan on Monday, July 21, 2025. The continuous rain brought by the southwest monsoon, or Habagat, triggered the flooding. Valenzuela, Malabon, and Obando are among the flood-prone areas in Metro Manila and nearby provinces. For more weather updates, download the Rappler Communities app and join the Project Agos channel. Jairo Boliedo, Rappler.